Hello everyone, welcome to the first tutorial about BIM. In this part, I'm going to show you how you get certificates in Autodesk. Autodesk is a leading BIM firm where they have multiple products and softwares that you can use for building and developing your BIM project. In the product section, if you see there are multiple parts and multiple categories. For example, for the architecture, engineering, and construction, you can have AutoCAD, Revit, Civil 3D, and BIM Collaboration Pro. Many products are available. For the product design and manufacturing, you can also have Autodesk. Software such as Inventor, Fusion, and AutoCAD. In the media and entertainment, if you're interested in the 3D Max, Maya, and Arnold for animation purposes and graphics, you can also get certificates and the software. For that, you can have this a trial version. There are different license available, such as student license as well as subscription. You can use your certificate of enrollment if you're a student to get the license, and then you can download this material, download all the software for your student projects and educational purposes. Or you can also get the support for your products, as well as if you want to install any of this some challenges, you can get the support online. And here you can also learn about the software, about the products, and you can also get the certification here. Okay, to start, I have an account already, and I want to show you how you get the certificate. First, you go to the learning part, and here you click on the certification. So click on the certification, and here you do have multiple certifications for different sections. For example, for the architecture, engineering, and construction, you click on the learn more, and here you have around 5 to 6 certifications. For example, here you can get certificate for Revit architectural design, Revit for structural design, Revit for mechanical design, as well as electrical design. So if you are an architect, a civil engineer, or structural designer, you can download and get certificates on this two part. But if you are a mechanical designer or as an electrical engineer, you can also get certificates for these two sections. If you are interested in AutoCAD for design and drafting, if you want to become a drafter, you can also get the certificate for AutoCAD, as well as you are a civil engineer and you want to design layout of the transport systems, roads, and layouts of those infrastructure, as well as civil and public projects. You can get the Civil 3D for infrastructure design. There are also other Autodesk AutoCAD, which is certified user and certified user for Autodesk Revit. You can also get the certificates in the entry level. And I'm going to show you how you get the certificate, for example, for the structure design. Once you click on the view certification details, here you can sign up for the exam, you can prepare for the exam. So there are defined and required skill sets using the software on modeling and materials, families, documentation, views, and Revit project management. And for that, you can prepare. So you'll click on the start preparation. And here you can get access to 11-hour length course with all the course materials, and you can download all the materials and watch the videos. And also you can then, when you are prepared for the test, then you can test your knowledge and skills by the practice test. The practice test is available at the beginning and the end of the course. The first one is that it evaluates your knowledge and skills of the Revit before the course, and the final one is for the practice test with which tests your knowledge and skills about the Revit. And if you are ready, then you can register for the exam. There are different models and sections. In the first part, you understand about the software, tips for exam objectives, and the course resources. In this part, you test your knowledge about the software, and then mainly you start a structural project in this part, and it allows you to understand how you link and import AutoCAD files, as well as how you copy and monitor elements, particularly columns and levels, how you create grades and levels, you create a site file, and about coordinates. In this part, you learn about the structural components for the floors, walls, framing, and the connections. And in the structural components part 2, you will learn about the stairs, foundations, reinforcement, as well as modifying the materials. In the content creation and management section, you will learn about family content, family types, how you find and create families. And in the working with views and annotation section, you will learn about detailed computing, site plan, duplicate views, and how you customize the schedules, how you create and modify annotation for families and documentation purposes. So it's a very important part. And in the revision and sheet management section, you will learn about working with revisions. You may have multiple revisions and how you manage the sheets. And finally, you will learn about collaboration and project management. Your project management is about Revit project management, how you collaborate with other colleagues, and for example, the architects, electrical and mechanical engineers, how you collaborate with construction managers, as well as the owner of the project. In this part, you will also learn about object size and how you print and export the sheets, how you transfer project and standards. So pretty important part about collaboration and communication. And finally, after you're done with this 11-hour course, you will do a course challenge exercises and finally a practice test. After you're done with this part of the course, then you can you can apply for the certification. And in this part, the only you can do is you just uh, you just uh, apply for the exam. Same as for a structural um, for the Autodesk certified professional in Revit for architectural design. I have uh, completed both professional certificate training for Revit for architectural design as well as structural design. So to register for the exam, you will need to sign for the exam by clicking on this link. And for that, you need to know that there are 120-minute exam time, 35 to 60 questions, and the certification is valid for 3 years, and you need to renew your certificate by participating to the exam again and again. So the cost is $200 and it is conducted in English. Uh, oh, it's easy for very straightforward, and all you need to do is to fill the form, write your details, and then you submit your application, and then the give you an appointment for exam, and you can um, participate for the exam. Oh. Um, oh, I hope you prepare for the exam and also you sign up for the exam, get the certificates. Because having the certificate means that you are a professional user, and that means that you can use the tool and the software and all the capabilities and the um, functions of the software. That's all for today. I hope you install and get the certificate on the software, particularly the Revit, which is really the primary and essential tool for all the BIM. Once you know how to use Revit, means that you are already know the BIM, or maybe not overall, but most of the BIM part is in the building section is related to the Revit. Of course, you can also get the certificate, multiple certificates at the same time.